Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? How's it hanging? It's almost October and I am so excited. Before we get into this video, if you guys noticed, my hair is short again. I actually cut 3.5 inches off, not by choice, but it was the best thing that we could have done for my hair. My ends were so dead from heat damage, so I definitely learned my lesson. All I have to say is don't use that much heat on your hair, and if you do, use the lowest heat. Like, you don't need to go above 300. So I learned my lesson on that. So we're kind of living for this short hair moment until we grow it back out. But there's a little update in my life. Anyways, today I really wanted to play with some Halloween makeup. It's almost October and I live for Halloween. This is honestly probably my favorite month of the year. I just have so much fun with fall, like just the season in general, but Halloween is probably my favorite holiday. Like, it's definitely my like top 3. So yeah, let's dive right in. So I was like going through my phone because I had no idea what I wanted to film, and I always do skull faces, and I know that's like been there, done that, but I really want to do like a candy skull. I think that'd be so fun because I really want to play with color today. So I found this kind of inspiration on Pinterest. I don't want to do it exactly like this because I don't like love everything about this look, but I do want to kind of do like half of the face and then have this side be like really colorful. I just think that'd be so cute. I'm gonna put my hair back. Obviously I already have a full face of makeup on. I worked today, so I figured this would be the perfect time to do this video. One, I don't want to waste your time filming this base makeup. There's no point. You guys see me do that all the time. So this is literally just my normal everyday makeup. I don't have lashes on yet, but we'll get there. I'm going to dive in with the MORPHE James Charles palette. And I think to start, I really want to just carve out my face on where I'm going to like make the lines. I think first I need to do like the big stuff, like put the circle around my eye and like the nose. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I love this stuff. If you guys watched my Halloween tutorials last year, I use this all the time. It is the perfect like little pot of liner, and it's obviously liquid. I love it. So I'm first going to make the nose, kind of the skeleton look. Okay, I'm just going to use my little butter bronzer as a mirror. Just so I can really see what I'm doing. You don't want me messing up. So what I do first is, it's kind of like a V, a skeleton nose. So you kind of want to start right here and just bring it down. And then on this side, just carefully kind of like bring it around. Just like that. And then you just want to repeat it on the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. Honestly, I think not having it be symmetrical makes it look better. And then just go around. So just like that, and then I'm just gonna dip back into the pot and then just fill it in. And honestly, you guys, this liner has lasted me years. That's probably bad of me to say since makeup does expire. But I only use this stuff for Halloween makeup, and it's great. It's just like such a wet but thick liner that it's perfect. And you can still be like really precise. And below the nose, I don't go like all the way down, but like halfway, and then just kind of fill it in. Just because you don't want it to be like up your nose. I like live for skeleton looks. If I could be like a different, like if, oh, how do I want to say this? If I could be like a Halloween person every year, it would definitely be a skeleton. Which I basically have already done that. I've been a skeleton for Halloween like 2 years in a row. And then I just kind of go around if I see anywhere that like looks a little thin, like maybe not as much liners there, I just fill it in. Just like that. So that is our skeleton nose. Next, I'm gonna carve out like where I want the like mask. It's almost like I'm gonna be wearing like a candy skull mask. So I think I'll go halfway down and then just bring it around the nose. So like most of this face is going to be the color, if that makes sense. And then this will just be like my normal makeup, but I'll still do some like eyeshadow over there. But so I think I just have to go for it. I'm just gonna start like right here. Okay, just like that. I'm just going back in and kind of making the line more precise. So I think I'm gonna add like black right next to this outline and then like bring the color. Actually, I think I'm gonna draw this skull. So the candy skull eye is usually like kind of like a diamond shape, but I think I'm just gonna make it kind of how I want it. So I'm gonna go up right here. Okay, so just like that. And then I'll like be coloring that entire thing in with like color. I look like a dog right now, but living for it. So first I am going to just shade with some black right along this mask. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going in with the number 33. And I'm just diving right into that black shade of the James Charles palette. And I'm just going to start blending this in. So you basically just start on the edge and just kind of like work it in and blend it. And as you can see, it already creates that kind of like three-dimensional effect, which is just exactly what I'm trying to go for. And there doesn't have to be too much black along this edge either, just since I am like adding color to the rest of my face. I'm like coloring my hair black at this point. Oh my god. Next on my channel, I color my hair black with eyeshadow. So now, instead of blending like up and down as you were seeing, I'm gonna start kind of fading it into the rest of my skin. And like this will just help me transition into the next color that I use. So I do have like a paper towel here that I'm just kind of like cleaning this brush off with. Next, I am gonna go into more of like a blue shade. I'm gonna go into this one, but I'm just gonna put this up here. Wow, I wonder if this is like too deep of a blue. It looks darker on my face. I think I'm gonna go into the blue to the left of it, the like lighter blue. I'll just pop that over where we just put this blue, but I think this blue is more, I guess, neon on the skin, so this might work better. But I'm just blending this out. Yeah, this blue's working better. And then once I'm like all done, I'll go back in with the black right along the edge just to kind of make that blend better. But for right now, for the rest of this face, I'm just gonna focus on blending the colors. And since I've like had this face of makeup on like the whole day, my face is oily, so like more pigment is kind of picking it up in different places. So just so you guys know, that's why it might look patchy, but if I were to start with a clean face of makeup, it wouldn't be this bad. Sorry about it. Okay, I think it's time for a new color. I'm gonna go in with purple. I think I'm gonna use this purple shade right here. And once again, just like I'm using the same brush, but I'm just making sure that I'm cleaning it in between. And you guys can place your colors like wherever. I'm just kind of going off the picture, but kind of like doing what I want. I'm gonna go in with green by my nose. Next, I'm gonna pop in this yellow shade. I'm popping this one on my nose. I love yellow. Ooh, my nose looks like a bumblebee. And I think I'll bring it like down over here. Then I think I'm gonna go in with pink. This looks like so weird now, but I know when I add like the black detailing everywhere, it'll look better, I promise. I'm gonna pop orange in there too. And then the last color I'm gonna use is red. I think I'll use this one. So now that all the colors are filled in, I'm honestly just gonna work on blending and making sure that everything basically just looks good. So here we go. Okay, so now that I kind of blended out all the colors a bit more, I'm gonna go back in with the black and just kind of buff this part out. I'm also gonna kind of like cut my jawline with the black shade, I think. Okay, so then if you can see this in the photo, skeletons usually have that little cheek detail. So I'm going back in with my Mega Liner. And I honestly always just freehand it, like, you can always fix it, I feel like. So I usually draw a line and then make like a circle. I'll show you. So just like that, and then you just kind of like bring it up like that. And then connect it. So then I always obviously fill this in with my liner. And then I'm gonna connect this to the corner of my lip. So the next part, I'm gonna draw in the teeth, which I basically just do lines just straight across. I will show you. So first I kind of start in the middle. Just like that. And then kind of keep going down. So once you reach the corner of your lip, then you just kind of do lines continuously. And then I'll probably stop it at that many. And then do the other side. And then since technically we would have this like line on this side too, I just created that one line. Obviously I'm not gonna like do that part. Okay, so just like that. And then since I do have like all this color on my face, I think I am gonna black out my eye. I changed my mind. I'm going just back in with the 33 brush and just gonna put black eyeshadow basically all over. Okay, and then I got as closest to my eyeball as I can, but I'm just gonna go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 pencil, and it's black obviously, and I'm just gonna fill in my waterline. So I'm gonna go back in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and just add like lines around my eyeball. Okay, yeah, so this is actually gonna be the finished look just because I like it. I don't want to add too much and then have it just look muddy. I'm not gonna add any falsies just because this eye is all black, and this one I really want to keep it just like bare, almost like this is just what I look like naturally. But yeah, I wish the colors were a bit brighter, but oh well, I like it. Let me give you a montage. Okay guys, so that is all I have today for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's super easy and kind of just like a fun Halloween idea. It's super, like I said, easy, and you can kind of make it your own. You can do different colors or like only 2 colors, and just like play around with it and have fun. I like this just because, yeah, it's fast, something easy, but you can still be creative with it. Kind of something different than just the normal black and white skull. But yeah, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday, and if not otherwise, I'll tell you in my Instagram channel, which is right here. if you guys want more Halloween looks, which I do plan on doing, make sure you comment below, and anything else you kind of want me to show you how to do, I can. And I will see you guys in the next video.